Belly fat, the one thing most of us wish we could get rid of and fast. Whether it's that stubborn lower pouch or the love handles that won't budge, we've all been there. But what if I told you that you don't need a gym, expensive equipment, or even a personal trainer to start burning belly fat effectively? All you need is 10 minutes, a little space at home, and the right set of exercises, and that's exactly what I'm about to give you today. Welcome to your complete belly fat workout. These are the *8 best exercises designed to target your core, boost your metabolism, and help you melt that stubborn fat all from the comfort of your own home. Each move is carefully picked not just to burn calories, but also to engage your abdominal muscles in a way that supports lasting fat loss and toning. So, grab a mat, a water bottle, and let's dive in. We begin with *kinase*. This is your warm-up and your first fat burner. It's cardio plus core activation in one powerful move. As you drive your knees toward your chest, you're not just increasing your heart rate, you're firing up your lower abs and improving your body's fat-burning capacity. Do this at your own pace. But don't hold back. Think of it as setting the tone for your entire workout. Next, we move into mountain climbers. These are explosive, efficient, and intense. They combine cardio with core strength, targeting the rectus abdominis and obliques while also engaging your shoulders and legs. Make sure your back stays flat and your movements are quick. This is where the belly burn really kicks in. Now drop down for plank hip dips. Planks alone are great, but when you add side-to-side dips, your obliques and lower belly get an extra challenge. Controlled movement is key here. Don't rush. Feel your core twist and tighten with each dip. This move builds endurance and shapes the waistline. Our fourth exercise is the bicycle crunch classic, but wildly effective. The twisting motion targets the entire abdominal region, especially the obliques. The key, quality over speed. Extend each leg fully and make sure your elbow actually reaches across toward the opposite knee. You'll feel it almost instantly. Up next, it's time for *leg raises. Probably the best move for lower belly fat. Lie flat, place your hands under your hips for support, and raise your legs without swinging. The burn is deep, slow, and real. This one strengthens your lower core and helps reduce that stubborn lower pooch many people struggle with. Then, we switch things up with Russian twists. You can do them with or without weight. Sit, lean back slightly, and twist from side to side. This works your obliques while also challenging your balance and stability. Keep your movements controlled. It's not about how fast you go, but how deep you twist. Number 7 is the reverse crunch. Unlike traditional crunches, this move shifts the focus to your lower abs. As you lift your hips off the ground, you're working deep core muscles while minimizing strain on your neck or back. It's safer, more targeted, and super effective for belly fat loss. Finally, we finish strong with the burpee. Yes, I saved the beast for last. It's a full-body move that pushes your cardiovascular system, builds core strength, and torches calories fast. It may be tough, but it's one of the best exercises for fat loss, period. And remember, this is your final push. Give it everything you've got. There you have it, 8 powerful belly fat burning exercises that require zero equipment, just determination. The beauty of this routine is that it can be done in under 10 minutes. And you can repeat it up to 3 times depending on your fitness level. It's designed not only to help you lose weight but also to tone your core and build real strength over time. So if you're tired of hiding behind loose clothes or feeling uncomfortable in your own body, make this your starting point. Do it consistently, not perfectly, and you will see results. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a race. And you're already ahead just by showing up today. Hit that subscribe button if you're ready to commit to your transformation. More home-friendly fat loss workouts are on the way. Until then, stay active, stay consistent, and stay confident. You've got this.